minute, huh? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with my favorite. I only come back to YouTube for Luvmehair wig install. I'm just playing. I'm so gonna come back with vlogs and stuff. I've just been over on TikTok because TikTok is so easy, but I got you guys. I want to buy a new camera so I can get some new inspiration. But today we're about to install this super easy glueless wig. I know that you guys enjoy my wig tutorials because I never do anything that's out of your reach. Like, I want you to know that you got it and you can do it. So let's get it. Let me just briefly show you guys what comes in the pack. Open it up, you get your wig. They put it in a wig cap, you know, but I took it out because I wanted to see what it was about. They give you a dust bag, a cap, hair clip, hair comb, and a melt belt. So let's put this bad boy on. I feel so cute. I hope you guys didn't miss me too much. I missed you. Let's get, I just did my braids. This one was kind of big because I was being a little lazy, but let's get it. Ooh, definitely big head friendly. I love that their wigs are normally always big head friendly. Okay, so just straight out of the package, you guys can see the knots do look bleached, which I absolutely love. Let's just get it on, get it fitting comfortably. Oh, she's a short one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this wig off and cut it as close to the hairline as possible, and then we'll get to styling it and making it look cute. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I cut it as close to the hairline as I possibly could. Let's put it back on. Y'all, my makeup looks so good. I did I did my makeup a new way today. I might give you guys a tutorial. Ooh, you see, just put that on. It just melted right in there. Wow, okay, that looks good. Okay, so what I want to do first is I want to make it big, and then I'm gonna put product on it and make it cute. But just like so you guys can see what it looks like straight out of the pack for anyone who likes big, bold hair. So just straight out of the pack, the curls are curling. I'll turn around for you as well. All right, so at this point, this is when we get to see what we want to do. If we need some layers to frame our face. I feel like it's a little too long. We could even stick it behind our ear. Okay, let's wet it. Okay, so this is what it just looks like straight out of the pack. No product, no nothing. I think I just kind of want to... Okay, so now we're gonna just add a little mousse just to see like what else we can make it give. But I love the length. Since it's human hair, I just might lighten it. So I love a good, I love a good blonde moment when it comes to a curly vibe. Ooh, the next wig is gonna be blonde and curly. Okay, but as you guys can see, it's good. We're just going to add some of this product all over for some definition. But I'm just like, I gotta stop being so lazy. Ooh, that's cute. Such a good wig. Definitely beginner friendly. And definitely be sure to bring it to the bottom. Look at that definition. That's gorgeous. When it comes to me and curly wigs, it's like a hit or miss. I love this. This is so cute. I think that this is going to be my go-to wig this summer because it's just perfect. My forehead, it didn't enclose my forehead. Everything is just super comfortable. I love how it's going to keep my neck like free, you know what I mean? Because sometimes you're not looking for everything to just be all over your neck, and you know what I mean. Like, if you know what I mean, let us know in the comments. But I think that this is super gorgeous, super pretty. I did decide to define the curls for you guys just so you guys can see the versatility of the wig. But look at that part. I didn't put no makeup on it. I didn't bleach the knots. They did come pre-bleached and everything came pre-plucked. This is gorgeous. It's a great everyday throw on and go wig. I'm gonna have it linked below in case you guys are interested. Like, if you guys are looking for a no maintenance, like, this is so cute. It's so cute. Okay, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.